On the Printer Manager tab, you can see the current state of all the printers in your cloud. Any printers that are currently offline will appear in this drop-down menu. You can enable the notifications that will show pop-ups, like for example when a print is done. On the left panel, you can monitor your printers and do actions like start a print, pause the current print, or cancel a print. Clicking on a printer will show its queue and finished prints on the right side. You can reorganize the queue by dragging the files around, or you can send one of them to the top spot. When starting the printing process, the file marked with Next will be sent to the printer. On the finished prints, you can add notes, tags, or send them back to the queue in case you want to print them again. You can also switch to the other view for a more visual summary in case you have a lot of printers.